Oklahoma hospital administrators' average salaries. Courtesy of EMSCO Solutions, Information Technology Guide for Oklahoma City Home Health Care Organizations. Oklahoma hospital administrators are responsible for the smooth running of their facilities and departments. They oversee staff, establish and evaluate practices and regulations, create schedules, generate reports for boards, investors, and government agencies, and are responsible for overseeing finances of the hospital. They must have good leadership skills, be very organized, possess excellent communication skills, and be flexible to adapt to and overcome challenges facing the hospital. Let's see if Oklahoma hospital administrator salaries are in keeping with those responsibilities and duties. Bureau of Labor statistic figures for Oklahoma hospital administrators. For the nation, the BLS predicts strong growth for healthcare administrators and managers through 2022. While there are some troubling issues for rural hospitals, the general picture for growth in Oklahoma is similar. Here are some BLS statistics for Oklahoma from 2014 from the Medical and Health Services Manager section. There were 5,330 positions in management as defined by the BLS. The mean hourly wage was $40.51. The national average was $49.84. The annual mean wage was $84,260 compared to the national mean of $103,680. The location quotient was 1.47. Location quotient is the ratio between the concentration of occupational employment in the area and the national average concentration of employment. Higher than 1 means there is a higher prevalence of employment in this field than the national average. Oklahoma ranks second highest in the nation. Figures for Oklahoma City hospital administrators. When looking at figures for Oklahoma City specifically, it reflects the numbers for the state as a whole. According to 2015 statistics from the job board Indeed.com, Oklahoma City Healthcare Administration salaries average $33,000 and are 14% lower than the national average. The average annual salary for Oklahoma hospital CEOs is $226,000, which is also 14% below the national average for CEOs. The job board simplyhired.com uses slightly different definitions to gather its statistics. Looking at the average salary for any job listing that had the term healthcare administrator anywhere in it, they calculate the average Oklahoma City hospital administrator salary to be $56,000. Since Oklahoma City figures seem to be close to those of the state as a whole, looking at where another career site listed Oklahoma in relation to other states might also be beneficial. Careersinpublichealth.net listed the average Oklahoma hospital administrator salary as of January 2014 at $63,000, 9% lower than the national average. According to their figures, that ranks Oklahoma 32nd among states in the country. Are Oklahoma City hospital administrator salaries comparable? These statistics differ depending on who did the surveys and how terms are defined, but all show that Oklahoma is slightly below the national average in pay. However, offsetting this is the fact that Oklahoma has a lower cost of living than the national average. When factors other than the dollar amount are taken into account, Oklahoma City hospital administrator salaries are close to those elsewhere in the nation. Nationwide, as in Oklahoma, the rising demands and increased workloads undertaken by hospital administrators are reflected in the fact that hospital administrator salaries are continuing to rise faster than the salaries in most industries. Do you feel Oklahoma City hospital administrators are fairly compensated? Let us know your thoughts in the comments box below. If you own or manage an Oklahoma healthcare business and you're looking to become more efficient through the use of technology, download our free guide, Information Technology Guide for Oklahoma City Home Health Care Organizations. You can download a copy of this guide while it's still available at okchomehelpitguide.com. Thanks so much for stopping by and tuning in today to learn all about Oklahoma Hospital Administrators' Average Salaries.